On Valentine's Day, we published a reel that went viral. It got 1 million views in just a couple of days, but it wasn't by accident. We didn't get hit by a stroke of luck. It didn't happen by chance. It went viral because we follow a really specific strategy that ensures all the posts we publish perform really well. Yep, absolutely anyone can have their reels go viral if they follow this particular formula, and in this video, I'm fully lifting the lid on it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie, CEO and co-founder of BOSSBABE, and if you're new here, this channel is all about supporting ambitious women. I share no BS, straight to the point strategies on building a personal brand, growing on social media, and starting or scaling your online business. If you're into that, I would absolutely love for you to subscribe to the channel and join our amazing community. Here's the thing, some people who have no idea about Instagram can publish a post at night, go to bed and wake up the next day to hundreds of thousands of likes, comments, saves, shares, and an invitation to appear on the Ellen Show. But that's incredibly rare. And so the throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping and praying it sticks method is probably not the best way to go about putting your content out in front of people. On the BOSSBABE account, we have over 3 million followers, and none of that has come from guesswork. We take risks, yes, but we always think before we act and put content in front of our audience. We didn't grow our Instagram impulsively, and you shouldn't either. We're really strategic about each and every post we publish, including Reels. And in this video, I'm gonna share all I know about Reels so that you can learn how to use Reels to go viral as well. You don't need millions of followers to get millions of views on Reels, and that's one of the amazing things about using them right now. Okay, so handy hack number 1 is to niche down. To pick the subject or topic you create content around and direct all of your focus and energy into it. Trying to do too many things at once will leave you spread so thin across tasks to really be able to give your full attention. So instead, channel all you have into one area. It's really the secret to more forward movement. I actually read a book recently which I've talked about so much and exemplified this concept perfectly. You see, if you focus on one thing only, you'll move more quickly to your desired destination than if you direct time and energy into so many multiple things at once. This really demonstrates what will happen if you try to cover too much ground. You will not get as far as fast. The next step is to conduct research. What content are other people creating that are in your industry and niche, and which of their posts are performing well? If there's anything I've learned in my journey of entrepreneurship, it's success holds clues, and that if something works, there's a reason why, and all you have to do is figure out what it is and take inspiration from it to be able to have your own version of that success. This really holds true with Reels and just content on social in general, but if you can really dig deep enough to discover what it was specifically that made a particular post resonate with people, then you can also recreate content in your own way and put your own personal spin on it in your own personal niche. Which leads me to the next step, which is to develop your own unique style of that post format. Make no mistake, I am not telling you to copy people. There is a very stark contrast between plagiarism and inspiration. What I'm recommending is that you zero in on the things that work, which is typically the format, the structure, and then design a way you can recreate that in your own unique way with your own unique content, but using the bones of it, right? So how can you draw on your education and experience to share something you're knowledgeable and have expertise in, but follows the same format of other posts that are performing really well? How can you build on the foundations that have been tried, tested, and proven to work to position yourself as an expert in your industry and authority in your space while delivering value to your audience that's going to be of real benefit and value to them? Now, step number 4 is to pay attention to trends and how you can actually improve on them. Now, things work until they don't anymore. So it's really important to note that you should always be ideating and innovating, right? You should always be continually trying to improve on the things that are trending, because things change really quickly in the social media landscape. So say for example, people are jumping and clicking and changing outfits when they land. Of course, if you aren't offering something educational or entertaining alongside that, if you're not a fashion blogger, this style of reel is probably going to get old really quickly. So you could put your own unique spin on it, add text, communicate what happens when you take X action to make Y change. All right, so think about how you can really turn things to your own style. Or if people are looking like they've just woken up in a reel before cleaning a mirror and then looking like they've had their hair styled, makeup applied, and in their best outfit, when all of the spray is wiped away, could you take that idea of a transition and create another version of that in a different environment? All right, I did a reel where I did the transformation format, but I didn't actually transform, and I talked about how the transformation is inner, not just outward, okay? So these are pretty basic examples, but hopefully they help you get the gist. How you can jump on a trend, but make adjustments or tweaks to make your own so that you can set yourself apart and stand out from the crowd. It's all about how you make people feel. So think about that when you're creating content. I hope you took away value from this video and will be following my formula for reels that go viral. These are the exact steps we use in our reel strategy, and I know it's possible for you too. Be sure to let me know in the comments what else you want to see from me, and I really want to make sure that I'm teaching on subjects and topics that are going to expand your knowledge and set you up for success. And if you can, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.